Good morning, all. Leona Battista Alberti, born February 14, 1404 Genoa, died April 25, 1472 Rome, Italian humanist, architect, principal initiator of Renaissance art theory. His notable works are Santa Maria Novella, Palazzo Rucellai. Alberti on architecture. He lived in a very urban society and grew to believe that the city was a necessary component of civilization. For this reason, he argued architecture was among the most notable of art form. His focus on ancient Greece and Rome led to him the study to the classical architecture by orders. He was obsessed over Vecchio's De Architecture, the only surviving work of the great Roman architectural theorist. Alberti's focus was on the art of building, both in terms of single buildings and entire urban spaces. He explored this through three forces based closely on the three fundamentals of the building. First is the stability and usefulness of a structure. Next is the aesthetic elements of lines, angles, and proportion. Finally are the elements of beauty and ornamentation. Santa Maria Novella, location Florence, first great basilica in Florence, and it is the city principal Dominican church. History called Novella because it was built on the site of 9th century oratory of Santa Maria delle Vicina. When the site was assigned to the Dominican order in 1221, they decided to build a new church and an adjoining cloister. The church was designed by two Dominican friars, Fra Sisto Fiorentino and Fra Rizzo da Campi. Building began in the mid-13th century and lasted 18 years, ending under the supervision of Friar Jacopo Talenti, and the completion of the Romanesque Gothic bell tower and sacristy. In 1360, a series of Gothic arcades were added to the facade. These were intended to contain sarcophagi. The church was consecrated in 1420. Alberti attempted to bring the ideals of humanistic architecture, proportion, and classical inspired detailing to bear on the design, while also creating harmony with the already existing medieval part of the facade. He added broad frieze decorated with squaristic full upper part, including the four white green pilasters and a round window, crowned by a pediment with Domitian solar emblem and flanked on both sides by enormous escort volutes. The four-column with Corinthian capital on the lower part of the facade were also added. Interior space. The vast interior is based on a basilica plan designed as an Egyptian cross, divided into a nave, two aisles set with windows, and a short transept. The large nave is 100 m long and gives an impression of austerity. There is a tromboil effect by which towards the apse the nave seems longer than its actual length. The ceiling in the wall consists pointed arches with the four diagonal buttresses in black and white. The interior also consists of Corinthian columns that were inspired by the classical era of Greek and Roman times. Verdi's Chapel, Filippo Strozzi Chapel situated on the right side of the main altar, Gondi Chapel situated on the left side of the main altar, Cappello Strozzi di Mantova situated at the end of the left transept. This is the plan of Santa Maria Novella. Donato Bramante, born in 1444, died April 11, architect who introduced the high Renaissance style in architecture. His notable works are St. Peter Basilica, Vatican, Palace Tomato San, and Ambrogio Basilica. Bramante on architecture. He introduced new structure, painting, wall murals, decorative element, and did interiors of various buildings. It is also said that Bramante did not keep a single signature style throughout his career. Bramante became the first architect to bring about high Renaissance architecture in Rome and replaced the typical classical style of the 15th century with grave ornamentation and monumental approach. One of his notable work is Santa Maria delle Grazie. It is located in Milan. History. The Dominican convent and the church had been built on the order of the Duke of Milan, Francesco. The construction of the convent building was completed in 1469. The apse of the church is believed to be done by Donato Bramante. The church has various Gothic as well as Romanesque influence. Architecture and space. The church has 7 chapels square on each side of solari work, except for the last on the left dedicated to the Madonna delle Grazie. The reforms attributed to Bramante made a great expansion of the structure, adding large semicircular apses, a majestic dome surrounded by columns, and a beautiful cloister and a refectory. The dome is hemispherical and stands on a drum resting on scallops within a square area. The most remarkable part of the composition is completely masking the outside inside. This is the exterior and the interior view of the dome. The idea of building the church was conceived by Pope Nicholas IV, who was promoted by the state in which was found Old St. Peter Basilica, walls leaning forward out of the perpendicular and frescoes covered with dust. Architecture. Bramante's contribution. The design of Donato Bramante that was selected and for which the foundation stone was laid in 1506. This plan was in the form of an enormous Greek cross with a dome inspired by that of a huge circular Roman temple, the Pantheon. Bramante had envisioned that the central dome would be surrounded by 4 lower domes at the diagonal axis. Michelangelo's contribution. Michelangelo took over the building site at which 4 piers, enormous beyond any constructed since ancient Roman times, were rising behind the remaining nave of the old basilica. He reverted to the Greek cross, and as Helen Garner expresses, without destroying the centralizing features of Bramante's plan, Michelangelo with a few strokes of pen converted its complex complexity into massive cohesive unity. This is the plan of St. Peter Basilica. Thank you.